Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the GARDENA SILENO Minimo, model 1520141, a fantastic robotic lawn mower available on Amazon. If you're looking to save time on lawn care while keeping your yard pristine, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's start with what makes the GARDENA SILENO Minimo so impressive. First off, it's designed for small to medium lawns up to 2,700 square feet, making it perfect for most suburban yards. The setup is surprisingly straightforward. It comes with a boundary wire and guide wire so you can map out your lawn and let the mower do its thing. I love how it uses patented streak-free technology to ensure an even cut every time, no patchy spots. Plus, it's one of the quietest mowers in its class, operating at just 57 decibels. You can run it while chatting with neighbors or relaxing in your backyard without any disturbance. Another big pro is its all-weather capability. Rain or shine, this little guy keeps mowing and it can handle slopes up to a 25% gradient. That's great for yards with a bit of a tilt. The Bluetooth app is a nice touch, letting you control schedules and settings from your phone. It's super user-friendly, and once you've got it programmed, you can pretty much set it and forget it. The mower's compact design also means it navigates tight spaces and narrow passages with ease, thanks to features like CorridorCut. And when it's time to clean, just spray it down with a hose. It's waterproof and built to last. Now, no product is perfect, so let's talk about a couple of drawbacks. The Bluetooth connectivity requires you to be within about 30 feet, which can be a bit limiting if you're trying to check on it from inside the house. Some users have mentioned they'd love Wi-Fi or app notifications for real-time updates, and I get that. It'd make monitoring even easier. Also, the maximum cutting height is 2 inches, which might be too short for folks with thicker lawns or those who prefer a longer cut. If your grass is sparse, you might notice some soil exposure, especially in hot climates. Lastly, the initial setup, particularly laying the boundary wire, can take an hour or two, but once it's done, you're good to go. Despite these minor cons, the GARDENA SILENO Minimo is a fantastic investment for anyone who hates mowing but loves a neat lawn. It's reliable, safe with its collision sensors, and saves you hours of work. For small yards, it's hard to beat the convenience and performance at this price point. I wholeheartedly recommend it. Before I wrap up, grab the best deal on the GARDENA SILENO Minimo using the link below, where we've got special promotional pricing through Rick's Review Hub. Also, check out our other videos for reviews on similar robotic mowers and gardening tools. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, happy mowing.